Today we dive into the remarkable story of Charlie Munger, the investing legend and Warren Buffett's right-hand man. But before he became a billionaire, Munger was just another person trying to make his mark. How did he make his first million? The journey is not just about money, it's about the wisdom, strategies, and sheer determination it takes to reach such a milestone. Join us as we unravel the story of how Charlie Munger made his first $1 million. A tale that's as educational as it is inspiring. The early hustle, laying the groundwork. In the grand tapestry of financial success stories, Charlie Munger's ascent to his first million is a captivating narrative that begins with what can be aptly termed as the early hustle. This phase of Munger's life was less about the glitz of wealth and more about the grind, laying the groundwork for the immense success that was to follow. Munger's journey is a far cry from a fairy tale beginning. He didn't start with a silver spoon or a hefty inheritance. His early life was a testament to grit and resilience. After serving in the U.S. Army Air Corps and attending Caltech, Munger's quest for education led him to Harvard's law school, a remarkable feat considering he didn't have an undergraduate degree. This unconventional path into one of the world's most prestigious law schools was Munger's first display of breaking norms and setting high standards for himself. Upon graduating, Munger ventured into the legal world, but his ambitions stretched beyond the confines of law. Munger was always in pursuit of broader opportunities, and this relentless search led him to the world of investments. His foray into investing while still practicing law was not just about diversifying income streams, it was a reflection of his intrinsic curiosity and desire to understand and master the world of finance. Munger's approach to his early investments revealed his willingness to learn and adapt. He wasn't afraid to take calculated risks, a trait that would later define his investment philosophy. These initial investments were crucial. They were the practical lessons in understanding market dynamics, assessing risk, and recognizing value, skills that would become invaluable in his future endeavors. One of the most striking aspects of Munger's early career was his ability to balance a demanding legal profession while nurturing his growing interest in investments. This balancing act was not just about managing time, it was about juggling two intense professions, each requiring a deep level of commitment and expertise. Munger's early hustle laid a robust foundation for his later successes. It was during these formative years that he developed the traits that would become his hallmarks: deep analytical thinking, a penchant for thorough research, and a fearless approach to investing. In essence, Munger's journey to his first $1 million is a story of perseverance, continual learning, and a relentless pursuit of opportunities. It underscores the truth that the path to financial success often starts with hard work, a hunger for knowledge, and the courage to venture beyond one's comfort zone. Munger's early hustle set the stage for a career that would see him not just accumulate wealth, but also garner respect as one of the most astute minds in the world of finance. If you're enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment your feelings on the story. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. Finding opportunities in real estate. In the unfolding saga of Charlie Munger's rise to financial prominence, a critical chapter was written when he ventured into the realm of real estate. This foray was not merely a diversification of his investment portfolio, but a strategic move that showcased his extraordinary ability to spot and capitalize on opportunities in any market. Munger's entry into real estate was characterized by his distinctive approach to investing, seeking out undervalued assets with significant potential. His first major triumph in this field was a bold yet calculated move involving the transformation of a rundown apartment building. This wasn't just a real estate investment, it was a clear display of Munger's keen eye for potential. He saw beyond the dilapidation and envisioned what could be a profitable property. This project required not only financial investment, but also a hands-on approach dealing with renovations, tenants, and property management. The success of this initial venture was a testament to Munger's foresight and his ability to create value. He identified a property in a promising location and recognized that with the right improvements, it could generate substantial returns. This approach mirrored the value investing principles he applied in the stock market, finding undervalued assets, investing in them, and waiting for the market to recognize their true worth. Munger's real estate investments were strategic and thoughtfully executed. He didn't just jump at any opportunity, he chose projects that he believed had intrinsic value and growth potential. His hands-on involvement in these projects went beyond financial oversight. He was often directly involved in the operational aspects, applying his business acumen to maximize their profitability. The significance of Munger's real estate investments lay not only in their financial returns, but also in how they complemented his overall investment strategy. They provided a balance to his stock market investments, demonstrating his understanding of the importance of a diversified portfolio. In summary, Munger's journey in the real estate sector is a powerful illustration of his broader investment philosophy. It demonstrates that the principles of value investing can be applied across different asset classes. His success in real estate was not just due to his ability to spot a good deal, it was his strategic approach, patience, and hands-on management that turned these investments into major contributors to his first million. This chapter of Munger's career is a compelling case study in the art of identifying and nurturing undervalued assets, a skill that is essential for any astute investor. The move into investment management. The crescendo of Charlie Munger's early financial symphony was his astute move into investment management, a decision that not only amplified his wealth but also cemented his status as an investment maestro. This transition from a savvy investor to a sagacious fund manager was a pivotal moment in Munger's journey to his first million. In 1962, Munger founded Wheeler, Munger & Company, embarking on a venture that would leverage his accumulated expertise in both law and real estate. This was no ordinary investment fund. Munger's approach was revolutionary for its time. He focused on concentrated investments in undervalued companies, a strategy that will later be recognized as a hallmark of his investment style. One of the most emblematic examples of Munger's investment acumen during this period was his involvement with blue-chip stamps. At a time when others overlooked it, Munger saw a diamond in the rough. He recognized blue-chip stamps' potential and invested heavily in it. This decision was based on deep analysis and a profound understanding of the company's business model and market position. It was this kind of discerning investment in undervalued companies with strong growth potential that propelled Munger's fund to impressive heights. Munger's investment philosophy was deeply influenced by his mentor, Benjamin Graham, and later by his partnership with Warren Buffett. However, Munger added his twist to Graham's principles, focusing not just on buying cheap, but on buying quality at a reasonable price. This nuanced approach to value investing was a key differentiator for Munger and a significant contributor to his success. The success of Wheeler, Munger & Company was not merely in its stellar financial returns, but in how it showcased Munger's broader vision of investment. He was not just picking stocks, he was investing in businesses. He understood that to truly succeed, one had to look beyond the numbers and understand the underlying business. The culmination of Munger's move into investment management was not just about crossing the $1 million mark, it was about validating his investment philosophy. His success with the fund demonstrated that his approach to investing, focusing on long-term value, quality businesses, and concentrated investments, was not just theoretically sound but practically profitable. In essence, Munger's transition into investment management and the success of his fund marked the completion of his transformation from a lawyer and real estate investor into one of the most respected and successful investors of his time. His journey to his first million through investment management is a testament to his strategic foresight, deep analytical skills, and unwavering commitment to his investment principles. Munger's path to wealth teaches us that success is not just about what you invest in, but also how you think, learn, and adapt. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.